Welcome to Blender. When you first open it, it may look a little intimidating. There are lots and lots of menus. Within those menus, then you will see lots of different properties and things that you can change in all kinds of windows and multiple windows. So it may be very, very confusing initially, but don't worry, we're not going to be focusing on probably 90% of that. The reason all of this exists is because Blender is set up to do just about everything you may want to do when it comes to creating your models, the lighting, the coloring, the textures, the animation, all of this is just a real quick clip from Blender's Sprite Fright video that they released, and you can find this on YouTube.
Hello, Mr. Snail. Oh, you cute little cornua spasm. That name, bonus points.
Okay, this is a 10-minute video. All of those models, the lighting, the animation, everything was done in Blender. So to be able to do all that, you need to be able to set up your scene. You need to be able to do the modeling for your various models, maybe some sculpting. You need to be able to then paint them, add in your shadings, your animation, then you need to render. So all of these come into play. But we will be taking these step by step, very small chunks, and make it very manageable for you as you learn Blender.